Good day everyone. We are the Group 7 of BSIT Y3-3. I'm Emmanuel Dominic Casten and we are going to present the partial study of our proposed system. Voguish Clothing Online Ordering System. Next. Data is becoming an increasingly important aspect for various firms in determining their strengths and shortcomings in orders to improve their performance. As a result, in any industry, having a proper online ordering system is vital. This system will help not only the easy management of numerous duties, but also the accurate documentation of items and other expenses. It can also profit the cost-cutting measures, allowing you to save a lot of money. Ordering systems are the mechanical part of inventory system. They're the programs that take our forecasts, actual orders, safety stock, and other quantities, and it turns them to purchase order in production orders. Due to their mechanical nature, there's not a lot of theory when it comes to ordering system. An automated ordering processing system receives and verifies customers' orders and directly enters them into the business's ordering, processing, or ERP inventory system. This prevents the need for constantly re-entering information, such as customer information and delivery location. The Voguish Clothing is an online selling page owned by Miss Judilyn Ciruela that sells fashion design clothes. Because Miss Judilyn always uploaded works, she encounters problems in managing the store, such as counting the products, listing the orders, or going live on social media platforms. It is time-consuming, especially when it giving the orders. Orders are often late and customers demand some products that aren't more available due to already being bought and it's prone to customer loss for them. The developers decided to accomplish an ordering system for the client in their business Bogus Clothing that will help the clients to optimize and to properly manage their sales because the ordering system is important in every online business, since an inadequate inventory system leads to loss of customers and sale. It will also help the customer choose products in their own choice without having a competence to other customers. Having an effective online ordering system allows firms to generate more sales, which directly impacts the company's performance. Next. The Voguish company is developing a new ordering system to process mail order sales of its product. Customers send in their orders by email together with the credit card payment availability of the ordered goods and then check in an inventory file. Then the validity of the credit card payment is checked online to the customer's bank. If these two checks are successfully, a dispatch paid order is sent to the customer and warehouse. The warehouse is a third-party company responsible for delivering the goods to customers. If the goods ordered are out of stock, then the order is placed on the waiting list and reconsidered at the end of the week. If the bank does not give the credit card authorization, then the order is sent back to the customers with an explanatory note. Next.
Statement of the problem. This study aims to evaluate the online ordering system for Voguish clothing ordering system. What is the assessment of the IT experts in the ordering system in terms of the following? Security and usability, functionality, accuracy, efficiency. What is the assessment of the admin and customer in the traditional way of ordering system in terms of the following? Security and usability, functionality, accuracy, efficiency. Objective of the study. The specific objective of the study that is needed for the completion of it is as follows. To be able to evaluate the IT experts in the online ordering system, to be able to evaluate the admin and customer in the online ordering system. Next.
Scope and limitation. The scope of this system is to provide a user-friendly an efficient working environment, and more output. It can be generated through this. This system provides a user-friendly interface resulting in knowing each and every usability features of the system. The system automatically generates a purchase order that can be electronically transferred to customers. This system has great feature scope. Online shopping internet software developed just like Shopee and Lazada, which are common in the Philippines in terms of online shopping. This system also provides security with the use of login and password so that any unauthorized user cannot use your account. Next, the significance of the study. This research is of a great significance in the field of business and marketing because to find out that the Voguish company ordering system techniques rendered by the customers in all part in the Philippines and to measure its effectiveness through online and advertisements. In addition, this will help certain groups and organizations such as the customers, the clients, the researchers, and the system owners, in the sense that they might need this for the future to remain the productive and knowledgeable. And lastly, this research can serve as related literature for future researchers who plan to explore the same topic. Next.
Review of related literature and studies. According to Aldin Bremer and Johansson 2004, the web has become an opportunity for marketers to add value to products and services. The phenomenal growth and rising popularity of the internet and the World Wide Web have become a key to attracting more consumers and businesses to engage in the benefits of electronic commerce. This e-commerce is cited as any form of business transaction in which the parties interact electronically rather than by physical exchanges or direct physical contact. Next.
3,006. Local literature. One indisputable benefit of e-commerce is its ability to reduce transaction costs for consumer or buyers. This is most likely to take the form of lower search costs and better information and prices. There could be drastic savings in production and delivery costs of electronic or digital goods as well. Lee 2006. Lacson Pasadilla 2006. In the Philippines, a number of business-to-consumer transactions have emerged through the years, such as Action, and online shopping, and online banking. Lacson Pasadilla 2006. This is just so that Filipino businesses welcome this new opportunity in selling goods since 16% of the population is using the internet. Next.
Methodology. This chapter presents the methods of the research that the developer used. The developer used the Agile model to build the ordering system for Voguish company, which consists of 6 phases, which are requirements, design, development, testing, implementation, and review. Next po. Requirements. As developers, we look for a client to propose the system, which is an ordering system. The researcher's official client is Miss Judilyn Zoruela, who has a small online business named Voguish Company. The developers gathered system requirements via Zoom and Google Meet to communicate with our client regarding the system since we do not have to interact in person because there are viruses. The developers ask our client regarding the problem with their system and how we will resolve the problem with our client. Regarding the problems of the client, she is experiencing the lack of time. She mostly uses up her time to count the products. That's why she don't do FB Live to sell more items. So we developed the system to get easier her time and job so her time don't consume and she can do a lot more with her business. Next. Designing. After gathering all the required data, the developers start designing the flow of the system. The developer proposed flowchart and also graphical user interface or GUI of the system with our client.
Figure 2. Flowchart of the system. After you open the system, it will show the word start and direct you to the customer place order. After that, you will see the order request system. This will confirm the receipt of the order. It's either normal or special order. After you pick your kind of order, the system will confirm your order, and after that, you have to wait for more than 1 to 2 days before receive the order. Next.
Use case diagram of the system. As you can see, the diagram customer can view products direct to the client. Customer can browse category and check if available while browsing category. It exclude if the product was out of stock. Customer can choose size and color and check if the color chosen was available. If not, it shows us out of stock. Customer and to the client can make payment and choose between pay over the counter or pay through GCash. Next.
Figure 4. Context flow of the system. In the context flow of the system, we have a four processes: the customer, Voguish supplier, Voguish store, and sales manager. Pinapakita dito kung paano gumagana ang aming ordering system. At kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga arrow, ang tawag dyan ay data flow. Tinuturo nito kung saan galing or saan papunta ang isang data. Figure 5. Data flow of the system. Halos katulad lang din ito ng sa context flow. The data flow diagram is much more complex representation of context diagram. And our data flow diagram have three processes: the product monitoring, managing purchasing order or information, and tracing transaction. Graphical user interface or GUI. In our GUI, in the first page is you can see the home page, and the second page is the shop category. In the shop category, you will find different brands of clothing and you can choose what you want by clicking by this item. And after you click by this item, you will proceed to checkout page. And then in the checkout page, you will see the billing details and your order details.
The table Voguish has 6 columns which are Voguish, ID, int number, not null, owner ID, name, type, description, and price. The primary key and foreign key are Voguish ID, int, not null, and order ID. And the table order has 5 columns which are order ID, int, not null, order items, order number, order type, order description. And the table products has 6 columns which are product ID, int, not null, product customer name, product number, product items, product type, and product description. The primary key of this table is product ID, int, not null, and the foreign key is product customer name. The table sales has 5 columns which are sales ID, int, not null, sales customer ID, sales sales amount, sales type, sales description. The primary key of this table is sales ID, int, not null, and the primary key is sales customer ID. This table inventory has 6 columns which are inventory ID, int, not null, inventory ID, inventory number, inventory type, inventory items, and inventory description. The primary key of this table is inventory ID, int, not null, and the foreign key is inventory ID. The customer has 6 columns which are customer ID, int, not null, customer ID, customer name, customer phone number, customer address, and customer email. The foreign key of this table is customer ID int not null, and the foreign key is customer ID. In table Voguish, to have a relationship between Voguish and order table and order and table order, to have relationship between order and products table, and in product table, to have relationship between product and sales table. In inventory table, to have relationship between inventory and customer table. In customer table, to have relationship between customer and products, and also Voguish table. Yun lang.
So development, the front-end developers build the system using Python and HTML. We allotted most of our time to the system in order to satisfy our clients. We surely and we check every line in code to prevent bug system. Next.
Feasibility analysis. Technical feasibility. The online ordering system for Voguish clothing will easily be built by our team because this type of system already existed since then. Our team assures that the familiarity of the application will be easy to use and will easily be recognized and also easily learned by our clients. The program can be built by our team because the program or the system that we use was created way back ago. Our team could build the system with enough time and budget, just as written in the contract to avoid any disturbances in the process of creating proposed project. The system will become compatible to our clients' company's existing technology. We will set up the compatibility of our system based on the company's capacity to handle the system, and we will be ensuring that the software and hardware of the system will be easily managed by the company.
Economic feasibility. Project investment involved the expenditure of capital funds and other resources to generate future benefits, whether in the form of profits, cost savings, or social benefits. And the tangible benefits, such as cost saving or increasing in revenue, will be easier to estimate, while intangible benefits are harder to quantify. Organizational feasibility. We as a developer team, we will create a system for our corporate selected. It will be a payroll system. Our developer team will do the system and our system analyst will do his job. He will be checking the program if the system is running smoothly. Without bugs, with the help of my team, and also we discuss if this system will be user friendly and easy to learn by our clients, and we think that this system will be helpful in order to fulfill their requirements. Next.
This showed the estimated dates in the process in developing our system. So in our system, this is the front end of our system. As you can see, everything is so smoothly, but there is slightly problem on the back end. But we are on the process of fixing it like this. Can you scroll down? When you press to the add bug, it it doesn't have any database yet, but we are currently working on it. And when you go to the ordering process, like when you go to the ordering process, the checkout and the login is going smoothly, and we are currently fixing the products when the order when purchasing the product. And but when you proceed to the PayPal, um everything is good. Just the back end of the database is the only problem. So that is it. Thank you.